हांगा 5-6 जाण रावता आणि मार्केटाचे लोक रावता.
कितले टोटल एका रूमान कितले जाण आहा?
एका जाणांक 7 जाणां.
7 जाण.
हय.
7 जाणांक इतलो तूप भरून जेवण कित्याक?
आता ते करता आमकां खबर ना. आमी कित्याक ते हॉटेलारूच करता. तेंकां कोणाकय विचारपाक शकता थंयसर. आमी सगळे थंयसरूच करता. हे आमी रातचे कितें उरता पळय ते हाडटा उडोवपा खातीर. आता ते थंयसर उडोवपाक
हांगासरल्यान मागीर थंय व्हरा. हांगासरल्यान मागीर थंय व्हरता.
हांव व्हरून उडयता.
ना उडयता म्हणजे आता फ्रिजीन दवरला न्हू.
हे फ्रिजन हाडून दवरला.
येस.
आणि मागीर हे उडवता हांव वचून. आता हांव सांजचे येता 5:00 हांगा ड्युटी येता.
उडोवपाचे सामान फ्रिजीन कित्याक?
बेश्टे रातचे आता उरता न्हू सगळे दवरता आनी नाल्यार घाण जाता न्हू वास येता म्हणून.
बाकीचे जे वेस्ट आसा पळय ते भायर दवरल्या मरे. मागीर हे कित्याक दवरूंक ना?
कितें वेस्ट?
बाकीचे जे वेस्ट आहा पळय तुमचे
आमचे वेस्ट काय ना हांगा.
इट्स आउटसाइड ना.
वे
दे हुज इट इज दे. हे कोणाचे? हे कोणाचे?
कचरो यांचो.
ओके. आणि बाथरूमान तो वेस्ट आहा पळय तो
बाथरूमात तेंची स्टाफाचे जाय.
या बट तो वेस्ट आहा न्हू. चिकन वेस्ट ओनली ना इट इज.
चिकन हांगा पळय तुम्ही काय रांदना तुम्ही पयला न्हू आता.
म्हाका तू उलोवन मरे तुका लक्ष दिवपाक जायना हे.
ना पूण आमी रांदना सर हांगा.
तर रांदता ते कितें तर?
कितें
इतल्या क्वांटिटीन कित्याक हे जेवण?
पण इतली व्हडली
मला
ग्रेव्ही
7 जाण इतके घेतले.
7 जाण 7 जाण म्हाका सांग 7 जाण
एका लग्नाचे हे जाले मरे
7 जाणांक इतले
आमी थंयसरूच कित्याक थंयसरूच रांदता सर.
पण 7 जाणांक 50
ग्रेव्ही तेंची ती स्टाफाची
इतली खाता स्टाफ ग्रेव्ही.
ते 50 जाणांची ग्रेव्ही आहे मरे.
4 जाणां खातात न्हू.
मग ते 50 जाणांची ग्रेव्ही मरती.
ते सकाळी खातात.
तुमच्या हॉटेलार येताना आता येवपाक सुद्धा ते भयन मरे ते असे खातात.
रायस आंबोर सोडून.
कसं राय सर.
अरे उडोवपाचो रायस म्हाका सांग फ्रिजीन कित्याक?
बरं बाकी
You got-
तुम्ही वेस्ट करून राहिले म्हणता.
म्युनिसिपालिटी थंय उडय नाका म्हणटा.
बाबा लोक बाबा हांगा कमेंट करता बाबा तू अशेंच करता हय.
हांव
लोक उलयता. लोक कमेंट मारता पळय लायव्ह आजून.
हो जो तुझो वेस्ट आसा पळय तो तू म्युनिसिपालिटीक दिता.
हांव पॅक करून हे करता.
उडोवन उडयता.
पॅक करून थंयसरूच दवरता डस्टबिनात.
अरे
The gravy who is having so much quantity? So much quantity gravy?
We are not doing anything here.
No. That gravy so much your staff is having so much.
Staff is having
That much gravy? You see, it is hot.
This staff is having
rain also.
Voting उलयता
It's a lack of it. No, but they won't eat the rice.
This staff is having your this thing, kebabs and all.
Huh?
This
No,
kebabs
tell
and
me,
all.
just open that funding. See the gravy quantity. And it's hot, huh? It's hot.
That's we are not doing anything over here. Rice, noodle, everything we are doing they only sir.
अगे कोणाचे तर हे असा ते ओपन करण्याचे कुसला
And then chicken. There's so much quantity for sure. There's yeah.
so much time for
So yesterday it is they'll just some biscuits and all to eat.
this apartment yours right?
Yeah.
होटल में अनहाइजीनिक तरह से जो आपने
It is for our driver's kitchen. It is not a hotel. See, you can see the vehicles. Our drivers, they do come and have food over here.
in what condition the kitchen is about.
It is in a good condition, not so bad.
Why the FDA is there? Why the FDA officials are at your premises?
हिम्मत है तो दिखाओ ना. हमने हमको नोटिस दिया बस नहीं सील नहीं किया.
आप दिखाओ ना.
If it has been sealed, then we can walk about it. Think about it. अभी चलो यहाँ चलो यहाँ.
Do you have all the permissions to?
Of course do I have.
What permissions do you have?
What permissions you require? You tell me.
What FDA permissions?
Yes, I do have.
Do you have the NOC to run the
Yes, I
hotel
do have.
inside?
I do have.
From whom? Panchayat NOC
I
is
do
there.
have.
Is it still in running
Of course.
license?
I don't do anything illegal. There might be some dirty things. Means dirty in the sense.
There might be means that there is.
Madam, will you be able to say that your kitchen is completely clean? There is not a single cockroach
You're
in your kitchen? Will you be
you're
able to
doing a
confirm
business. You're doing a business. It's not my house. It is your.
Exactly,
It is a
madam.
business which
Madam,
which you're
notice.
making
I just
food
got a notice.
and serving to the public. It is in a unhygienic condition. Don't you think it is a risk to the health of the public?
Madam, it is not inhygienic. So
You
many people are there.
said just now some unclean
No,
matter is there inside.
Nothing is unclean. There's nothing. You are just simply keeping a word, making some water over here. You're pulling out some water out of it.
Our FDA team today has once again carried out a surveillance drive, and we started off this with an action in Agasai first. where there was a biryani place which we were tracking. We had received the input that it's operating under unhygienic conditions. So we went there and we have asked this place to close operations. Then we moved on to Sangonda, where again we had received some inputs there. One unit was supplying mithai and falsan items to even 5-star hotels. And when we went there, it was very shocking that the conditions were very poor, and hence we have immediately directed the owner to stop operations and also upgrade their licenses. They were operating with registration certificates which are not the appropriate licenses for such kind of a business. It was also supplying food. So basically, these were cloud kitchens working through the platform of these apps. So we have tracked them down, and they have been asked to close operations. And then now we have come to this Mapsa area, done the inspections earlier. We had received one input that one of the outlets operating there is preparing the food in a flat, and that was tracked today. And we checked here in this apartment. We found that the gravies and the rice, the pre-cooking part was done here. It was unhygienic, and this too has been asked to stop operations. So this has been a summary of the work that we have done.
सर सगळं अनहायजीनिक बाकीचे सगळं फूड आता की ते किती करता तुम्ही
आता ते आम्ही immediately in the interest of public health dispose करतले. So we will treat it as garbage and ask them to dispose it in whatever the municipal channels are there. And again, we will not issue any permissions to such places. We will ask him if he wants to get this thing operational, he has to set up a proper kitchen.